All right, guys, it has happened on plug. We have retested the 200 weekly moving average on plug. We want to watch it from here. We want to see what happens at this point. I think this is a big support level. This is a potential buy zone. I don't really like last week's candle, however, other than the fact that it closed right on the 200 weekly moving average. Overall, it kind of looks a little bearish, though, this little movement right here. I don't really like that, but we need to see. So next week, what I really want to see next week is a very bullish engulfing candle back up into the structure. If that doesn't happen, if we don't get back up into the structure next week, I think it could be bad. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. So really, we've been following this massive triangle. I expected the 200 moving average to be tested at this point, and it wasn't. I thought we would spike down and bounce up. We've done it here, though. Like I said, we need a bullish engulfing, or a very bullish candle indication next week. I would say next week. For this to kind of get bullish again at this level. So this is that previous high there. So that support level is from a long time ago. So that's really what we're watching for. That's all. That's all. That's all I got to say, right? So we need this price to get back into that technical structure. To continue to be bullish. Let's just put it like that. If you want to take a risk, you could take the risk. You could take the risk at the 200. You buy at the 200 weekly moving average here, and ride it out, or put in a really quick stop loss down here if you want. Right. So that's what we want to look for. Now, what would be great is when we break this structure. We break out of here, and we've got a ton of room. We're gonna go from 25. This is a target here, but this target is going to be based on where it breaks out of. So, it could be over here. But let's just say, actually, let's get rid of that so it's not confusing. We're just going to put this right at that previous all-time high. We're potentially, talking about movements of 25-ish bucks up through, up through the 40s, up through to 75, if and when we break out of this. If you want to take that risk, that could be a really nice risk. Quick little stop loss down here. Shit, maybe I just convinced myself to do that. All right, guys, that's a quick update on plug. Thanks again. Follow Chart Daddies, follow Cash Daddies. Give me a subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for the support. Peace.